Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how you can repot some plants that are clustered up into some little seedling areas with some nice Miracle-Gro potting mix. We've got a coffee plant here that you can see it's a little too crowded out because we've got the one that looks really nice and these others, they used to look really nice, but now they're kind of dying because there's just too many in there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a couple little ones, 6, 7, all in this one little mug. So there are too many in there, so we are going to repot them into these right now. So the first thing you need is some dirt. We got some nice Miracle-Gro potting mix. It grows plants twice as big. I got it in a bowl right here. It's going to be excellent. So then what we're going to do is I've saturated this. It's pretty wet, and now all I need to do is pull out these roots. So we'll just kind of nice and easy, because I don't want to hurt the real big one there. We'll kind of try to. Now normally you would probably dump all this out, and you would want to remove the entire thing with like a little shovel and then split the roots with a knife or something. But like I said, this is pretty saturated now, so we're just going to kind of work them right out. And there's one. You can see I got a pretty good root system there. So I'm going to lay that down. Put some dirt in here. Then we'll put the plant in there. And then I'm going to bury it a little deeper than it was before, just so it gets a little more stability. Get some dirt in there. Kind of pack it down. And there we go. That one is ready. Now I'll do the same thing with the others. And there we go. Now you can see I've got one with a larger root system. He's all there by himself, and a couple more right here. Hopefully they will start to come back a little bit. And then I've got this guy all by himself now, so he's spaced out, and then a couple little saplings coming off, so we'll leave those in there. And that is it. So that is how you can easily repot a coffee plant or any other plant. Simply take it out, make sure you've got the roots, line them up in other little seedling areas, and let them grow with some space. So that is it. That is how you can repot some plants. Be sure to check out the description below for links of all this stuff that you can purchase, and also subscribe to the channel, check it out, and watch the other videos that I have available. Thank you.